In this video, you'll learn how to effectively use Mailchimp email templates. By following this guide, you will be able to create, edit, and send emails using the templates provided by Mailchimp. Begin by navigating to the Mailchimp homepage. Open your web browser and enter the Mailchimp URL in the address bar. Once the page loads, you will see the Mailchimp logo and various options for managing your account. Ensure you are signed in to access your campaigns. Next, locate and click on the campaigns option in the left-hand menu. This action will direct you to the campaigns dashboard where you can view all your email campaigns. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout, as this will be essential for the next steps. After that, find and click on email templates within the campaign section. This option allows you to view and manage all your saved email templates. You should see a list of templates you've created or used in the past. Once this appears, click on Mailchimp templates. This section provides access to the default templates offered by Mailchimp. You will notice various categories and designs available for your use. Then select the Recently Sent tab to view templates from emails you have recently dispatched. This feature can be helpful if you wish to reuse a design that performed well in the past. Proceed by clicking on the Save tab to access templates you have previously saved. This is where you can find drafts or templates that you may want to edit or send later. Next, click on the Create Email button to start a new email using a template. This action will take you to the email creation interface where you can choose a template to customize further. After that, find and click on the Edit Design option. This will open the template editor, allowing you to modify the layout, text, images, and other elements of your email. Make sure to explore the different editing tools available in this interface. Once you have finished editing, click on Save and Exit to save your changes. This step is crucial to ensure that your work is not lost. A confirmation message will appear indicating that your email has been saved successfully. Finally, click on the Send button when you are ready to dispatch your email. A prompt will appear to confirm that you want to send the email. Review the details to ensure everything is correct before proceeding with the send action. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.